I just want to take a quick minute of your time. I don't want your money. Reverse that. I'm not asking for money, but I want a little bit of your time. So I made a couple videos on here. Business is really taking off, slammed with work. But I'm going to ask that you folks do what I hear every morning on the TV from my kids. Like and subscribe, please, on the YouTube page. So what that does for me, the more likes I have, the more subscribers I have, my videos become suggested more, recommended more. The more views I get, I can eventually get a following to where I make an income just from the videos. So, if you could, not asking for your money, just a few seconds. Just if you've seen any of my videos, if you like them, give them a thumbs up. If not, fine. I can take criticism, but I will cry about it later. I'll be okay. So, if one person shares it with a couple people, and those two people share it with two people, it's exponential. And we know what exponential is. Watch. You share these videos, it's going to be like this. Up we go. Each person that shares, 2, 2, 2, exponential growth. Alright? Crap. That's a, don't tell my wife. Crap. Crap. Google. Order flowers for my wife. Oh boy. Babe? That's gonna be a problem.